Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of cleaning essentials with the Unger Professional 6-gallon heavy-duty bucket. If you're serious about household cleaning or even tackling professional jobs, this bucket might just be your new best friend. Let's start by talking about what makes this bucket stand out from the rest. Known for its durability and ergonomic design, the Unger Professional bucket is crafted from heavy-duty plastic, built to withstand the toughest cleaning tasks. One of its standout features are the two-pour spouts, making it incredibly easy to empty without spills or mess. The comfort grip handle ensures you can move it around comfortably, even when it's filled to its 6-gallon capacity. Measuring 26 inches in length, 12 inches in width, and standing at 10.75 inches tall. This rectangular bucket is perfectly designed to accommodate squeegees, scrubbers, and mops up to 18 inches long. Whether you're cleaning floors, windows, or other household surfaces, the Unger Professional bucket is engineered to meet your needs with professional-grade quality. Its rectangular shape not only provides stability but also makes it easier to carry compared to traditional round buckets. It's these thoughtful design elements that set it apart in the world of cleaning supplies. Available in a sleek blue color, this bucket weighs just 3.2 pounds, combining lightweight portability with heavy-duty performance. In conclusion, whether you're a cleaning aficionado looking to upgrade your arsenal or a professional in need of reliable tools, the Unger Professional 6-gallon heavy-duty bucket is a top contender in the market. Its durable construction, ergonomic design, and versatile features make it a must-have for any cleaning task. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning!